So there's a short history of Cynergy Bank in terms of its transformation and change. It's been running a program for a number of years, and we're more towards the end of that journey. So the realization of Cynergy Bank as a human digital bank, so focused on the technology underpinning the architecture of the bank, but still very much focused on a relationship manager-led enablement and in the front line with our customers. So real people operating with our customers is the key, sort of the headline sort of identity of Cynergy Bank. And as we have developed both online banking, mobile banking, and digital capability in terms of onboarding customers, that's now being complemented with digital and AI support for our relationship managers in the front line. So for example, we are doing a proof of concept on credit underwriting papers. In our level of banking, those papers are complicated transactions, quite weighty documents. And so the more that we can ease that process, then in return, the customer has a more successful lending journey. As I say, we are more towards the end of the transformation. So after 3 years, we have 1 year of investment for the key strategy to go. By the end of 2026, we'll be looking at the forward-looking strategy following that. But there is, as we go into 2026, we're selecting from many tens of projects the key activities and priorities that we'll be developing for next year. So for example, uplifts to our core banking environment, migrating legacy data centers to the cloud. We will be looking at migrating our Salesforce instances to Lightning, and many more projects. Engineering function that we've developed in-house over the last 2 years. So as a bank, we have a priority to build our own IP rather than buy off the shelf. So many systems like online banking, you can go to market and buy an online banking platform. However, we felt that it was important in our case to retain that IP in-house. Makes us a more investable business and unique in market, and therefore we have developed a very strong engineering function based in GCP on Google Cloud Platform, with what I would call an exemplar level of engineering to deliver those projects.